Hello students, myself Om Prakash Khatte, and today we are discussing the topic of the class 12th. In class 12 chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation, and today we are discussing incomplete dominance and co-dominance. Students, we have learned regarding the monohybrid cross of the Mendel, and Mendel said that when characteristics are crossed, so parental characteristics appears in the F1 progeny, that is dominant characteristic. As example, tall plant and when dwarf plants are crossed, so in F1 progeny the tall plants are appear. So tallness is a dominant character, whereas the character which is not expressed, it is the recessive character. It means dwarfness is the recessive character. It means in F1 progeny one of the characteristic of parent is expressed, and which character is expressed? This is dominant character, and which is not expressed or which is suppressed by the dominant, it is called recessive character. So now there are some plants that do not give the results like the Mendel cross. Okay, so when two characters are crossed, so dominant character appear in the F1 generation. It was the Mendel one, but there are some plants where the characteristics of the parental characteristics are not appear in the F1 progeny. So such type of two phenomenon we are discussing which do not follow the Mendel's law. So incomplete dominant and co-dominant. Students, what is incomplete dominant? First definition we can understand. In incomplete dominant, genes of alleles or allelomorphic pair are not expressed as a dominance and recessive. It means allele do not express as a dominant alleles or recessive allele, but express themselves partially. Both alleles are expressing partially or intermediate. So if the allele express themselves partially or intermediate when they present together in F1 hybrid. So F1 hybrid is not like the parent. It is not like the dominant allele parent. It is not like the recessive allele parent. So it is the intermediate, or it is having the themselves partially. So partial, it means like how this is not dominant and not recessive, but it is the intermediate. So when intermediate progeny is obtained in a F1 generation, so this is called incomplete dominant. Again remember, incomplete dominant is a process or phenomenon in which the partial or intermediate progeny is obtained. It is not like the dominant and it is not like the recessive. And this type of phenomena are observed in the many cases. So we are discussing two only. 4 o'clock, which is called the Mirabilis jalpa. So in 4 o'clock, Mirabilis jalpa, as well as dog flower, which is commonly known as snapdragon or antirrhinum. So these are the two plants example we are taking now. They exhibit or they are representing the incomplete dominant. Try to understand. In dog flower we are discussing, there are two types of flower. It bear red flower and some plants bear the white flower. So the white flower I am taking as a female and red flower plant is a male. So when red flower plant is crossed with the white flower plant, in F1 progeny, the pink color of the flowers appear. So when pink color of the flowers are appear, it means it is the partial expression of the both alleles. It is the intermediate of the both alleles. So this one, when alleles are crossed, allelomorph are crossed, they are not expressed as the dominant or recessive, but they express intermediate or partially. So here red and white flower when they are crossed, then flower appear pink. So the pink is an intermediate trait. It's a trait formed by the mixing of the dominant and recessive allele combination. So that is called, it is called intermediate trait. So pink color is appear. Now F1 progeny of pink color is crossed. So self-pollination is done. So after the self-pollination, this parent is male and another is female. So if self-pollination are done in F2 generation, what happens? In F2 generation, this is obtained. Red, pink, pink and white. It means phenotype ratio come. Red ratio, pink ratio, white. It is 1:2:1. 1:2:1. Genotype. Here also come 1:2:1. So this is only one class where phenotype and genotype ratio comes 1:2:1. So many type question is asked in the board examination. Describe or depict a class which shows the phenotype and genotype ratio same, or it shows the phenotype and genotype ratio 1:2:1. So in complete domain, what to remember? In this, the F1 progeny is intermediate. It expresses the partially expression of the both allele. Second phenomenon is co-dominant. In co-dominant, both parental traits appear side by side in a F1 hybrid. Look at here. Here no intermediate was obtained, but here dominant characteristics, parental traits. In co-dominant, both the parental traits appear side by side. It means in F1 progeny is resemble both parental traits. It means the parental traits of the both parent are expressed as the dominant trait in the F1 progeny. So it will be clear by this example. First one, in incomplete dominant, both parental traits appear side by side in the F1 hybrid. It means F1 hybrid is resemble with the both parental trait. Other word, the allele which are not able to express themselves independently when present together are called the co-dominant alleles. The allele which are able to express. If the alleles come from the both parent and they are able to express themselves independently. If they are present in the F1 progeny or when they are present together, these are called co-dominant alleles. Simply, the co-dominant alleles are the allele which express independently in the progeny. Example, such type of co-dominant, both parental characters are appear in F1 progeny, and co-dominant example first is roan coat in cattle. So generally you will see when black color of cattle is mated with the white color of the cow, so new progeny is obtained having the white body but the patches of black color. So generally in the Jersey cow we are watching, the body is the white color but there are some patches of the black color. Our body is a white color but there are some patches of the brown color. So this type of cattle are called roan coat cattle. So roan coat cattle are having black white body and black patches. Another example is ABO blood group in the human also represent or exhibit the co-dominant phenomena. It means both alleles expressed. What is this? Alleles in human beings are, 3 alleles are there in the human being. I0, IA and IB. Okay. So I0, IA and IB, these are the alleles. In this, IA and IB are dominant over I0. Okay. So IA and IB are the dominant alleles and this I0 is the recessive allele. Now, if the one parent is IA I0, other parent is IB I0. So one this parent is crossed with the other. So what happens? In such cases, if crossing is done or mating is done, one is a male, another is a female. So what we are getting? This condition comes IA, IB. It means here the both alleles are expressed, and that's why the blood groups come AB blood group. So this is an example of co-dominant. AB, A, IA and IB. In this case, the both alleles are expressed. So if both alleles are expressed in the progeny, and that's the blood group come AB blood group. This is an example of code. Another class I am having homozygous IA, homozygous IB parent. When these two parents are crossed, so what happens? All the progeny are having the both alleles IA and IB. It means both the dominant alleles are expressed and the blood group come AB blood group. So here is what? Both alleles of the parent, they express in the progeny. It means that in incomplete dominant, both parental traits appear side by side in the hybrid. So it is codominant. And incomplete dominant, intermediate trait is occur. Here is no dominant character and recessive, but in F1 progeny, the intermediate character is appear in the progeny. So this is very important topic for the class 12 board examination, and mainly what is the incomplete dominant, how it is differ from codominant, such type of questions are asked. Thank you.